In the next, using this white dough, rolling on the upward and downward side, making a design with the help of comb, using this stick, you will get this design is ready. In the next, we are using the dough by this stick and stuffing it with different kind of cherry, so you will get a flower is ready. In the next, here we are using the dough, making a line and knotting it up with the help of finger. Now using this comb to make a design, so it shapes like a fish. A pair of fish is ready. Now using the knife to make a design over its body. In the next, we are using the dough, a white simple dough, in this way. Now stuffing it up as we did before in this way, so you will get this. Now again we are going to stuff it, putting more material into it to pack it up with the help of the finger. It shapes like a bird. So in the next, we are using here a red, white, green dough to make a stuff, so you will get the structure like that. Now using this green around the white and with the help of finger, so just pack it up in this way. Now stuffing it up as we did before, packing the green portion in this way, and it's ready.